Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for GCSE, IGCSE student across the globe. So today we are gonna discuss one of the interesting topic from the edXL GCSE Maths. It's a higher mathematics topic for GCSE Math students. This is rearranging the formulas or changing the subject of the formula. Fine. So this is very interesting topic, so we will discuss it. Some student actually felt this one is difficult, so we will take us some questions and discuss them. Okay, those are difficult topics or difficult questions, sorry. And yes, you will get this kind of question from around 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks questions. Okay, we will start discussion. Before we start the discussion, our revision classes and regular classes are going on. Suppose if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. You can contact straight away. So rearrange here. First question, rearrange A in a bracket Q minus C is equal to D. So we have to make Q as a subject. So Q is here. Firstly, transfer this A to the right. So this is multiply. If you transfer to the right, it will be divide Q minus C is equal to D by A, and transfer this C to the right hand side. It will be just a addition. Right, so Q is equal to D over A plus C. That's it. And this is 3 mark question. Okay, D over A plus C. Then nextly, here we have we have to make the N subject of the formula N. So transfer this 21 to the left. Right, so it will be M is equal to 5N minus 21. 21 transfer to the left. M minus 21 is equal to 5N. N you will get M minus 21 over 5. That's it. M minus 21 over 5. Getting it right? So 3 steps here, and right answer you will get out 2 marks. Okay, then nextly we have to make here P as a subject of the formula. Here we have a P on the both side, right? So firstly multiply this 4 to the bracket. So 4P minus 2Q is equal to 3P plus 2. Then 4 times P is 4P minus 8Q is equal to 3P plus 2. Transfer this 3P to left hand side. So 4P minus 3P is equal to 8Q plus 2. So you have to transfer this 8 to the right hand side. So 4P minus 3P is just a P. Okay, so P is equal to 8Q plus 2. So 8Q plus 2. That's it. This is 3 mark question. So your right answer, you will get 1 marks, and for a step, each and every step you will get half marks. That's it, right? Then nextly, here you have to make R as a subject. So if you look at here, you have a 2R, pi R plus 2R, right? So P is equal to pi R plus 2R plus 2A. Transfer firstly this 2A to the left, and from the right hand side you can take out just a R common. So P minus 2A is equal to pi plus 2R, right? That's it. Okay, it's simple, right? Then nextly, here P minus 2A over pi plus 2 is equal to R. That's it. Okay, P minus 2A over pi plus 2, right? Then nextly, here you have to make the A as a subject. Here I would suggest for 4 and 5, stop this video, take these 2 questions and solve them, and then start this video for an answer. Okay, so here you have to make A as a subject, right? Then transfer this 2 to the right hand side. 3A minus C is equal to 5C plus 1 divided by 2. Then transfer this C again to the right hand side. It will be 3A is equal to 5C plus 1 divided by 2. So minus or plus C. Okay, here you have a C, right? Here you have a C. So what you can do is that you can multiply and divide 2 by 2, so that denominator will be same, and you can add this 2C and 5C straight away. So it will be 5C plus 2C plus 1 divided by 2, and even take this 3 to the right hand side. It will be 1 upon 3 whole bracket is A. Okay, so your answer will be A is equal to 5C plus 2C is 7C plus 1 divided by 6. That's it. Okay, that's a. Fine. Then nextly you have to make m as a subject. So on the both hand side you have a m, right? So firstly multiply this 2 in the bracket, 2p plus m is equal to 3 minus 5m. Then multiply this 2 to the bracket, so it will be 4p plus 2m. Here transfer this 5m to the left, plus 5m is equal to 3. Then 2m plus 5m is 7m. Transfer this 4p to the right hand side, 3 minus 4p. M is equal to 3 minus 4p over 7. Got it? This is m you got. So 3 minus 4p over 7. Okay. Now next one, here changing the subject of the formula, you have to make x as a subject. And if you see here, x on a both sides, firstly multiply 5 to whole bracket. So 5x minus 15 is equal to 4y minus 3xy, right? So transfer this 3xy to the left and 15 to the right. That's it. Okay, so 5x plus 3xy is equal to 4y plus 15 plus 15. Okay, then nextly take x common, you left with 5 plus 3y is equal to 4y plus 15. Okay, now write x as a x is equal to 4y plus 15, and here just rearrange this one. Here firstly write down 3y plus 5. That's it. Okay, this is the x you will get. Fine, this is 4-mark question, and here just you have to write down these 4 steps. That's it. Okay, so it's easy. So in the class also we discussed like this. We have in the class just 2 to 3 students are there, and if you want to connect and enjoy the maths with me and our faculty member for other subjects as well, you can contact us. Fine. Then nextly, when you have a h feet above the sea level, you can see the d miles to the horizon. Fine. Then d is equal to square root of 3h over 2, and we have to make h as a subject of the formula. So straight away here d is equal to square root of 3h by 2. Take a square on the both side. Okay, square to make if you do the square root will be removed. So d square is equal to 3h over 2, and transfer this 2 to the left. So your h will be here, your h will be 2d square over 3 is equal to h. So h is equal to 3d square over 2d square over 3. That's it, right? Okay, then nextly, so rearrange the formula to make t as a subject. So you have here t, and at a numerator as well as denominator you have a t. So firstly transfer this p minus t left hand side. Okay, so y is equal to 2pt over p minus t. Transfer this to the left hand side and multiply y in the bracket p minus t is equal to 2pt. Okay, then y py minus ty is equal to 2pt. Okay, then transfer this t part to the right hand side. So py is equal to 2pt plus ty. Now t take common, so t is equal to 2p plus y, and here py, so py over 2p plus y is t. That's it. Okay, so t is equal to py over 2p plus y. Fine. Then again here stop this video and solve this next ninth question, and then again come back for the solution. Then nextly you have to make this b as a subject. So to make this b subject, we have to transfer this firstly to the left hand side, right? So a times b minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 7b, isn't it, right? Then multiply this a in the bracket, So AB minus 5A is equal to 2 minus 7B. So transfer this 7B to the left, 5A to the right. Okay, so AB plus 7B is equal to 2 plus 5A. Okay, take A common, so A plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 5A, right? And then B is equal to 2 plus 5A over A plus 7. A plus 7, that's it. Okay, this is the answer, and this one is 4-mark question. Okay, and you have hardly 4 steps are there, and right answer you will get 1 mark. Okay, so it's a 4 out of 4 mark question, right? There is nothing as such difficult. Okay, if you do some practice and you can use the logic how to transfer the all the terms, multiplying term, dividing terms to the right hand side, left hand side, just you have to learn those many things. Okay, simple rules are there. Fine. Then nextly you have a here p is equal to n square plus a over n plus a. You have to make a as a subject, right? So to make a as a subject, you have to firstly transfer this n plus a to the left hand side. P times n plus a is equal to n square plus a, right? So multiply this p in the bracket. Pn plus pa is equal to n square plus a, right? Transfer this a to the left hand side and pn to the right hand side. So pa minus a is equal to n square minus pn. Take a, p minus 1 is equal to n square minus pn. So a is equal to n square minus pn divided by p minus 1. That's it. N square minus pn over p minus 1. So this is also 4-mark question. Okay, then nextly I hope you understood this part. Okay, if you don't, then stop this, go back again, watch this video. Fine. Then nextly, if you don't, then I have left the contact in the description box. You can contact straight away. I am here to help you. Okay, then nextly, so here x upon x plus c is equal to p over q. So you have to make x as a subject. So firstly transfer this x plus c to the right hand side, q to the left hand side. So x times q is equal to p times here x plus c, then multiply this p in the bracket. Okay, x times q is equal to px plus pc, then transfer this to the left hand side. Here x times q minus p times x is equal to pc. Take a x common because you have a, for a both term you have a x. So q minus p is equal to pc, and x you will get pc over q minus p. That's it. Fine. So pc upon q minus p will be the answer for x, right? Then nextly, last one here, rearrange 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. Here you have to make u as a subject of the formula, right? So here 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. Firstly transfer this part to the right hand side because you have to make u as a subject. Here 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon v. Okay, now you have to make the firstly cross multiplication because you have to take reciprocal. Why? Because 1 upon u is equal to just a u. So to make this part you have to take 1 for right hand side, 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So firstly multiply, cross multiply. So v minus f over vf. Okay, now you can take a reciprocal. So what, just a u is equal to vf upon v minus f. That's it. That's a formula for u, and this is 5-mark question even. Okay, so these are the just 4 steps are there. Okay, I hope you understood this topic thoroughly, comprehensively, And if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. You can contact straight away for a tuition, for a notes, class inquiry. Okay, that's it. We'll stop here. Bye bye. Thank you.